Guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you projection of lines problem, and this is the problem. So this projection of lines is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and this problem is of 10 to 15 marks for the different branches. And please, I am going to explain you in detail practically and theoretically also. So how to do this problem according to the question, and please watch my videos till the end and also practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand how to draw with these skills, basic skills, this problem. So before starting this question, please share my videos, like my videos and subscribe my channel, and also press in my bell icon to get you the more notification of other videos. And now I am going to start my problem. Draw the projections of the line CD measuring 70 mm inclined at 30 degree to HP and parallel to VP. The line is 30 mm in front of VP and one of its end is 20 mm above HP and 80 mm from the right profile plane. This is the right profile plane. So first I am going to explain you theoretically how to do. So projection of lines is drawn on a common XY line, and this is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. As in the question right profile plane, you are having a right side right profile plane. Suppose if left profile plane is given, you have to keep it on left profile plane, and this is the first quadrant. So according to the question, practically I am explaining you. Draw the projection of the line CD measuring 70 mm, means you are suppose a pencil is of 70 mm line, okay, and this is this, and this end is C and this end is D, okay. 70 mm inclined at 30 degree to HP, means to HP it is having 50 degree inclined like this, okay, and parallel to VP, so automatically it is parallel to VP also. So the line is 30 mm in front of VP, means this line is 30 mm from the VP. He is having a 30 mm distance like this, okay, and one of its end is 20 mm above HP, means from the HP is having 20 mm above like this, means your pencil, your line is like this, CD line is like this. So if you see this line from the front, the projection of this line will be like this at 30 degree, somewhat 30 degree like this on the VP, means that is the front view. And if suppose if you see this line from the top, means this projection of this line will be like this on HP, okay, like this it will be. Then if you see in the right profile plane, means the projection, if you see this line from the left, the projection of this line will be same as like this, straight on the right profile plane, okay. So how to draw this problem? Theoretically I am explaining you in detail how to draw this easily method, so watch my videos till the end. Before starting this question, you have to draw an XY line. Vertical plane, horizontal plane, you have to label it, okay. And in the question he said use the right profile plane, so you have to start off from the left. Right means right profile plane means you have to start your solution left, which you have to start means how much that 70 mm line is, how much up and how much down you have to see. So means how to first the distance you have to see. The line is 30 mm in front of VP, means in front of VP means you have to take downwards, in front of VP 30 mm you have to take like this, okay, and one of its end is 20 mm above HP, means 20 mm you have to take up like this, means both distance we have taken. Shows the dimension also of this line. This is 30 mm and this is 20 mm. First you have to take the distance only. Then after, in the question, the line CD of 70 mm inclined at 30 degree to HP means, as theoretically I have explained you, if in the question inclined to HP it is, means 30 degree, you have to draw on VP. If it is inclined to HP, means extend a line, take your protractor like this and adjust your millimeter protractor and put a point and adjust your line. How much line he has given you the measuring 70 mm. So from that end, draw and at that point, draw 70 mm line like this. Okay. Then the same line here, if you see from the top, you will have a top view here. Straight means you have to draw a perpendicular line to XY line, and from here you will have another point, top view line. You have to darken, and this point will be C and D, and this will be C dash and D dash. Okay, and this will be the front view of the figure, and this will be the top view. Okay, as in the practically also I have shown you how the line is inclined and show the angle also 30 degree, and this line measurement is 60 mm. So according to this line, draw extension line perpendicularly to show the dimension, dimensioning line, arrow marks, and this is of 70 mm. Then after drawing this, to this projector you are having a right profile plane as said in the question. So in the question he will give you the distance of the right profile plane here. So how much distance he gave you? 80 mm from the right profile plane. Means you have to take from this point. From here you have to take the right profile plane distance 80 mm. Okay, so how? You can do, take a point and draw a right profile plane line like this, and it is also called x1 y1 to the right profile plane. And before another problems, in problem number 1, 2, I have taken the distance from here because there was a one point there. So from the projector we have to take, means from the first end of the projector we have to take the distance till the right profile plane. Okay, 80 mm means from here to here I have taken 80 mm. Show the dimension also. Then after, from the right profile plane you have to draw a 45 degree angle line from the right profile plane. Adjust your minute after with 45 degree and draw a 45 degree line angle. Then after, from this CD dash you have to project the lines till this 45 degree angle and upwards. How? I am explaining you. From C and D, from both points it is projecting. Then after, from these 2 points you have to project the lines here. For example, like this and like this. Then after, you have to see this both front view and top view points where it is meeting and put a point and label it. For example, C and C dash where it is meeting here, means put a point, you have to label it as C dash double dash, and D dash where it is meeting here, and this will be D double dash. In the right profile plane I have shown you that a straight line you will have. You have to darken, and this is the left side view. Why? Means you have to see the front view from the left. You are seeing from the left. That's why it is left side view. Okay, and this is the complete solution of this problem. And please guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press my bell icon, YouTube channel bell icon. You will get the more notification of my videos, and please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also practice by yourself, then only come to understand this problem. Thank you.